Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the linear approximation of the function. So in this diagram, the green color curve is taken as y is equal to f of x. At x naught, I'll consider a point x naught. So if you substitute x as x naught, the y value is f of x naught. So this vertical distance is f of x naught. So at this point x naught, we have drawn a tangent line to the curve. So the red color line is a tangent line to the green color curve at x naught. Okay, here I'm going to make a small change in x naught, that is I'm adding a small value del x to x naught so that this point is x naught plus del x. Okay, so here y is depending on x. If I make a small change in x, it will affect the value of y. So therefore, y is equal to now f of x naught plus del x. So this vertical distance is f of x naught plus del x. So here this vertical distance touches this point to the green color curve and touches in this point to the tangent line. Okay, so you see that starting from here to this point, this vertical distance is nothing but the actual change in y at x naught plus del x. But here from in this point to here the whole distance gives the approximated value of the function at x naught plus del x. So therefore the tangent line gives good approximation of the function at a particular point x naught plus del x. Okay, so this tangent line gives the good approximation means the equation of the tangent line we have to find out. You see now, usually tangent is a straight line. So we'll go for y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the equation of the straight line. Here also the equation of the tangent line I have taken like this. So the tangent line is drawn at which point? X naught comma f of x naught. Okay, up here y minus, in the place of y1 we have written as f of x naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. So therefore y is equal to f of x naught plus m into x minus x naught. In the differential calculus we have studied the slope is nothing but m is nothing but the derivative at a particular point x naught. So therefore m can be written as f dash of x naught into x minus x naught. So the y, now it is the approximated value of the function at a particular point x naught. So therefore y we can write as L of x because it's a function of x. Here you will have x, so it is a function of x. So therefore the linear approximation of the function at x naught can be written as f of x naught plus f dash of x naught into x minus x naught. This is the formula to find the linear approximation of the function at x naught. So that is denoted by L of x. L of x means it is denoted as y. So y is in terms of x. So that is the approximated value of the function at x naught is equal to f of x naught plus f dash of x naught into x minus x naught for all x belongs to the open interval a comma b. So here the definition for the linear approximation is given as, let f is a function from the open interval a comma b to R be a differentiable function and x naught belong to a comma b. We define the linear approximation L of f at x naught by L of x is equal to f of x naught plus f dash of x naught into x minus x naught. So this is the formula to find the linear approximation of the function at x naught. So the linear approximation which is giving, so the tangent line, the equation of the tangent line gives the linear approximation of the function at x naught. Okay, see that. Now we are going to see the exercise 8.1. First problem, let f of x is equal to cube root of x. Find the linear approximation at x is equal to 27. Use the linear approximation to approximate the cubic root of 27.2. Okay, so first what is asked? Linear approximation at x is equal to 27. Here the function is given as f of x is equal to x power 1 by 3. This is a cube root of x. So therefore I have taken as x to the power 1 by 3. Now what you have to find? Linear approximation of the function at x is equal to 27. So here we have to take your x naught is equal to 27. X naught is now 27. Okay. So first I'll write the formula. So what is L of x? It's a linear approximation of the function. It is in terms of x. So that's why we have written L of x. So the formula is f of x naught plus f dash of x naught into x minus x naught. So see that in this formula, first what we have to find f of x naught. Okay, you see the function f of x is equal to x power 1 by 3. Okay, here what is needed? F of x naught. What is your x naught? It is 27. So f of x naught is equal to f of 27. So what you have to do? You see the function in the place of x, you have to substitute 27. So 27 the whole power 1 by 3. 27 can be written as 3 cube. So 3 cube to the power 1 by 3. This 3 and 1 by 3 getting cancelled. So the answer is 3. So the first term we have found. Next, coming to the next term, what is needed? F dash of x naught is needed. Okay. So here we are having only the function. So next step, you have to differentiate the function. First you have to find out f dash of x. Then you have to find out f dash of x naught. So f dash of x means this function has to be differentiated. So it is in the form of x power n. So the formula is n x power n minus 1. So it is 1 by 3 x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1. So if you evaluate the power, you will get the answer as minus 2 by 3. So it can be written as the x to the power minus 2 by 3 can be brought in the denominator as x power 2 by 3. So this is your f dash of x. So we have differentiated the function and we got the answer as 1 by 3 into x power 2 by 3. But in this formula, what is needed? F dash of x naught. What is your x naught? It is 27. So therefore, f dash of x naught is nothing but f dash of 27. So in the f dash of function, in the place of x, you have to substitute 27. So what is it here? 27 to the power 2 by 3. That I have arranged as 27 to the power 1 by 3, the whole power 2. Okay, what is 27 power 1 by 3? It is 3. So here you will have 3 squared. So 3 squared is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. So therefore your f dash of x naught is equal to 1 by 27. Here you have to find the approximated value. So you have to divide 1 divided by 27. So the approximated value is 0.037. Okay, so you see that in this formula we have found this term and this. Okay, here x minus x naught, x on the you have to write as it is. In the place of x naught you have to write 27. So you have to substitute all the details in this formula. So therefore 1 implies L of x. Here I have written approximated. Now f dash of x naught is approximated value. So I have used this symbol. First y I have written 3 Why it is 3? In this formula, the first one is f of x naught. So we have found f of x naught value is what? It is 3. So therefore, when you substitute in this place, you have to substitute 3. So 3 plus 3 plus. So the next one, this is your f dash of x naught. So this value is substituted into, in this formula, what the remaining term? X minus x naught. So therefore, x minus, what is your x naught? It is 27. So for the first question, we have answered. What is the first question? Find the linear approximation at x is equal to 27. We have completed. So use this linear approximation. We have to find the approximated value of cube root of 27.2. Okay, so see that what's the difference? Here what we have found, it's a approximated value for, it is the approximated value of the function at x is equal to 27. Now what is asked? 27.2 க்கு approximation find out பண்ணோம். So therefore f of 27.2. So here in the place of x, now you are having 27.2. So therefore 3 plus 0.037 into, in the place of x you have to substitute 27.2 minus 27. So if you subtract, your answer is 0.2. So if you multiply these two, you will get the answer as 0.0074. It is added with 3, you will get 3.0074. So this is the approximated value for cube root of 27.2. Okay, in this way we are going to do the remaining problems. You see the second problem. Use a linear approximation to find approximated values of first one, 123 the whole to the power 2 by 3. In the previous problem, the function is given. F of x is equal to, it's a cubic root of x. The function is given. Here function is not given here, so only 123 to the power 2 by 3. So first what you have to take, you have to take the function f of x as x to the power 2 by 3. Okay, x to the power 2 by 3, because 123 to the power 2 by 3. So here 123 is taken as x, so the x to the power 2 by 3. So first you have to see the problem, and from that you have to take the function. Okay, here x is taken as 125 and the change in, small change in x, that is del x, is minus 2. So therefore x plus del x as 123. So first what we are going to do is, we are going to find the approximated value for x is equal to 125. From that we are going to find the approximate value of 123. So that's why we have taken x is equal to 125 and del x is equal to minus 2. If you add these two, you will get the number 123. So why we have to take 125? Because here it is a power is 1 by 3 is there. So if you take x as 125 means, we can write 125 as 5 cube. So therefore it is easy to calculate the value for x is equal to 125. So then we can find the approximated value of 123. So first step is what? We are going to find the linear approximation at x is equal to 125. So therefore x naught is taken as 125. Here the formula is written. L of x. L of x means linear approximation of the function at x naught. Okay. So it is equal to f of x naught plus f dash of x naught into x minus x naught. So you have to find f of x naught and f dash of x naught. So f of x naught. What is your x naught? 125 now. So f of 125. So f of 125 means what you have to do? You take this function f of x, in that you have to substitute x as 125. So 125 to the power 2 by 3. This can be written as 125 can be written as 5 cube. So 5 cube the whole power 1 by 3 the whole square. So on the 3 and this 3 getting cancelled. So your answer is 5. So 5 square, that is 25. So the first term we have found. Next we are going for the second term, f dash of x naught. Before finding this, first we should know f dash of x. So you take this function and differentiate. If you differentiate, you have to use the differentiation formula of x power n. So it is n x power n minus 1. If you take LCM and the power, you will get the answer as minus 1 by 3. So if you brought to the denominator, it is x power 1 by 3. So therefore f dash of x is equal to 2 by 3 into x power 1 by 3. Now what is asked? F dash of x naught. What is your x naught? 125. So f dash of 125 is equal to 2 by 3 into 125 to the power 1 by 3. So it is 125 can be written as 5 cube. So the power getting cancelled. So you will get the answer as 5. So 2 by 15. 2 by 15. Okay. So you have to do the calculation. So the 2 has to be divided by 15. So the approximated value is 0.133. Okay. And you have to go for the division. So after finding this approximated value, you have to substitute in this formula. Okay. So L of x is equal to, what is first one? F of x naught. What is your f of x naught? That is 25. Okay. So 25 plus next value is what? F dash of x naught. So f dash of x naught we have found as 0.133. So 133 is substituted. Okay. Here it is substituted into x minus 125. So this is the linear approximation of the function at x is equal to 125. Now what is asked? What's your question? It is 123. So x is equal to 125 and del x is equal to minus 2. So therefore now we are going to find the approximated value for 123. So it is equal to 25 plus 0.1333 into, in the place of x you have to substitute 123 minus 125, that is minus 2. If you multiply, you will get this answer as 0.2666. So if you subtract, you will get 24.734. Okay, now we are going to the second subdivision. So what is the second subdivision given? It's a fourth root of 15. Fourth root of 15. Okay, so first we have to take the function. So what function? It is x power 1 by 4. So it is a fourth root of 15. So therefore the function should be x to the power 1 by 4. In the previous problem, it is, the question is 123 the whole power 2 by 3. So what we have taken? So the function is x to the power 2 by 3. Here it's a fourth root of 15. So therefore our function is x power 1 by 4. But what is x? X is equal to 16. Why it is 16? Fourth root of 16 we can easily find. So that's why we have taken x is equal to 16. And this change in x is nothing but minus 1. So if you add these two, 16 minus 1 is 15. Okay, so we can easily find. So first what we are going to do? We are going to find the linear approximation at x is equal to 16. Then we are on that another result, we are going to substitute x as 15. So that easy, we can easily get the answer. So what is the formula for finding the linear approximation at x is equal to 16? L of x is equal to f of x naught plus f dash of x naught into x minus x naught, where your x naught is equal to 16. So first you have to find out the first term, that is f of x naught, that is f of 16. So what you have to do? The 16 has to be substituted in this function, 16 to the power 1 by 4. So 16 can be written as 2 power 4. So the power getting cancelled, you will get the answer as 2. So the first term we have found in this formula. Next, what is needed? F dash of x naught. Before moving to f dash of x naught, first you have to differentiate the function. So using x power n formula, n x power n minus 1 If you simplify the power, you will get minus 3 by 4. It is a numerator, it is negative, brought to the denominator as positive. Okay, so this is your f dash of x. But what is needed here? It is f dash of x naught. What is your x naught? That is 16. So f dash of 16. So it is 1 by 4, 16 to the power 1 by 4 to the power 3. Because here you are having x to the power 3 by 4. Okay, in the place of x, you have to substitute 16. So 16 to the power 1 by 4, the whole cube. 16 can be written as 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 and 1 by 4, the power getting cancelled. So 16 to the power 1 by 4 is 2 to the power 3. So 2 cube. What is 2 cube? It is 8. 8 fours are 32. It has to be divided now. 1 by 32. If we divide, so see the division here. 1 by 32, the division is here. So the approximated value is 0.0312. Okay, so it has to be substituted in the formula. L of x is approximated as f of x naught. So f of x naught is 2. Okay, f of x naught is 2 and f dash of x naught is this value into x minus x naught place less 16. So now we have found the approximated value at x is equal to 16. But in the question what is asked? It is a fourth root of 15 is asked. So therefore here in this approximated value you have to substitute x as 15. So in the place of x you have to substitute 15. 15 minus 16 is minus 1. So if you multiply you will get here minus. So if you subtract, your approximated value is 1.9688. We'll come to the third subdivision. It's a cubic root of 26. It's a cubic root of 26. Here first you have to consider the function. So according to the nature of the function given, you have to take the function. So it is x power 1 by 3. Okay, where x is equal to 27 and del x is equal to minus 1. So here you can take, if you take x is equal to 25. So you see that here it is given cubic root of 26. So therefore x has to be taken as 27 and del x is equal to minus 1. So first step we are going to find the approximated linear approximation at x is equal to 27. Then we'll go for the approximated value for x is equal to 26. So the formula is written. The two terms has to be found, f of x naught and f dash of x naught. What is your x naught? X naught is equal to 27. So f of x naught is f of 27. So here in this function x as 27, if you substitute 27 whole to the power 1 by 3, 27 3 cube. So the power getting cancelled. So the answer is 3. So the first term answer is 3. Next you have to find f dash of x naught. So what you have to do first? First you have to differentiate the function. Then you have to find f dash of x naught. So if you differentiate as usual x power n formula. So if you use n x power n minus 1. So you will get this answer. You just brought down to the denominator as positive. Then you have to find f dash of x naught. So f dash of 27. So in the place of x you have to substitute 27. So 27 to the power 2 by 3, that can be written as 27 to the power 1 by 3 the whole square. So 27 to the power 1 by 3 is 3. So it is 3 square. 3 squared is 9. 9 3s are 27. So 1 by 27 if you divide, you will get the value as approximated value as 0.037. Okay. So these two value has to be substituted in this formula. What is your f of x naught? That is 3. So 3 plus f dash of x naught we have found it is 0.037 into x minus 27. Why you have written 27? X minus x naught. So x naught is 27. So we have completed the linear approximation at x is equal to 27. But in your problem what is asked? It is 26. So therefore in the place in this approximated value you have to substitute x as 26. So here 26 minus 27 will come. See that 26 minus 27 is minus 1. So if you multiply you will get 3 minus 0.037. So if you subtract, your answer is 2.963. So next one, find a third question. Find a linear approximation for the following functions at the indicated points. Okay, so here the function is given. So it is in terms of a cubic polynomial x cube minus 5x plus 12 and x naught is equal to 2. So you know the linear approximation formula, f of x naught plus f dash of x naught into x minus x naught. Now your x naught is what? It is 2. So first step, f of x naught. So f of 2, what you have to do in the function? You have to substitute x as 2. So it is 2 cube minus 5 into 2 plus 12. So therefore if we calculate, f of x naught is 10. The next step, you need f dash of x naught. Okay, so for that you have to differentiate this function. So therefore f dash of x is equal to x cube. If you differentiate, it is 3x squared. Next term minus 5x. If you differentiate, your answer is minus 5. If you differentiate the constant 12, it is 0. So your f dash of x I have written. So on that you have to substitute what is needed here. F dash of x naught. X naught is 2. So therefore f dash of 2. So in this f dash of x you have to substitute as 2. So therefore 3 into 2 square minus 5. 2 squared is 4. So 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay. After finding these two results, you have to substitute in this formula. So therefore f of x naught is what? 10. So 10 plus f dash of x naught is 7 into x minus x naught. X naught is 2. So if you simplify, 7 into x, 7x, 7 into minus 2, minus 14. 10 minus 14 is minus 4. So this is the linear approximation at x is equal to x is equal to 2 for the function. So L of x means it's a linear approximated function in terms of x. So here you are having 7x minus 4. It is in terms of x. That's why we have denoted as L of x. In the same way, you have to do the second subdivision. Here the function is g of x. So according to that, we will change the formula. The formula is, usually we will write f of x naught. Here the function is g. So therefore g of x naught plus g dash of x naught into x minus x naught. So these two values has to be substituted. What is the point? We need the linear approximation x naught is equal to minus 4. So g of x naught is g of minus 4. So here you have to substitute x as minus 4. So minus 4 the whole square is 16. 16 plus 9, it is square root of 25, that is 5. Next step, g dash of x naught. To find that, first you have to differentiate the function. So you have to apply the power rule. Okay, x squared plus 9 whole to the power 1 by 2. Okay, so when you apply the power rule, it is 1 by 2. X squared plus 9 half minus 1. Half minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. Okay, so power rule is over. After that, which is taken as x, that has to be differentiated. So x squared differentiate panna 2x, 9 differentiate pannabodu 0. Okay, so if you simplify, this 2 and this 2 getting cancelled. So in the numerator you are having x. Here in the numerator the power is in negative, so if you brought down to the denominator it is positive. So whole power 1 by 2 can be written as square root of x squared plus 9. Okay, now what is needed? G dash of x naught. What is your x naught? Minus 4. So if we substitute g dash of x naught as g dash of x naught in the place of x as minus 4. So minus 4 divided by square root of minus 4 the whole square plus 9. So it is minus 4 divided by 16 plus 9. So it's a square root of 25. When you take the square root, it is 5. Okay, so after finding these two terms, you have to substitute in the formula. G of x naught is 5. Okay, and g dash of x naught is minus 4 by 5 into x minus x naught. So x minus x naught is what? Minus 4. So it will become plus 4. If you take LCM, LCM is 5. So 5 5s are 25. And minus 4 if you multiply with these two terms, minus 4 into x minus 4x, minus 4 into plus 4 is minus 16. So 25 minus 16 is, what is that? 9. 9 minus 4x by 5. This is the linear approximation for the function g of x at the indicated point x naught is equal to minus 4. In the same way, you have to do the third subdivision. So here the function given as h of x. So we have to change the formula as L of x is equal to h of x naught plus h dash of x naught into x minus x naught. So first what is needed? H of x naught. H of x is there. So h of x naught is what? It is 1. So when you substitute, it is 1 divided by 1 plus 1. That is 1 by 2. Next, when you go for the next term, h dash of x naught, you need h dash of x. So you have to differentiate the function. So here you have to apply the quotient rule. So quotient rule, first I'm going to complete the denominator v squared, that is x plus 1 the whole square. Next, here you have to write v. So what is your v? X plus 1. It is written. Next, the numerator u has to be differentiated. So in the place of u, you are having x. So if you differentiate x with respect to x is 1. So in the quotient formula, here you will have minus. So next what you have to write? You have to write the u. So the numerator has to be written. X is written. And you have to differentiate the v. So the denominator has to be differentiated. If you differentiate x as 1, 1 differentiate panna 0 vaadum. So if you simplify, x plus 1 into 1 is x plus 1 minus x. So plus x and minus x getting cancelled. You are having 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole square. So what is needed now? H dash of x naught. What is your x naught? X naught is 1. So you have to substitute in the place of x as 1 in h dash of x. Okay, it is 1 divided by 1 plus 1. It is 2, 2 squared is 4. So h dash of x naught is 1 by 4. So after finding these two terms, you have to substitute in the formula. So therefore, L of x is equal to, what is h of x naught? Here we have found it is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is written. Plus, so next term is what? H dash of x naught. That is 1 by 4 into x minus x naught. X naught as 1. So what you have to do? You have to take LCM. So the LCM is 4. So here first term has to be multiplied with the 2. So it is 2 plus 1 into x minus 1 as x minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So therefore x plus 1 by 4. Thank you, students.